Court is calling 2024 CR 007743, State of Texas versus Patrick Nyangari. You're on this side.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
All right, if I got to have parties announced for the record for the state
Jason, your hand, Your Honor.
defense.
Jose Rocha for Patrick Nyangari, Your Honor, with the interpreter that's here.
All right, and are you Mr. Nyangari?
Yes. Yes.
All right, so I don't think you say is the language he speaks, is the answer yes? Is that in that language?
Yes.
All right, so here's the thing. Either we're going to use the interpreter or we're not going to use the interpreter, but you are not allowed to speak to me in English if we're using an interpreter.
Yes.
All right, and to the interpreter, if you could raise your right hand. And I'm sorry, what language are we speaking?
Swahili?
Swahili. Do you affirm that you will faithfully translate from English to Swahili and Swahili to English, so help you God?
Okay.
All right, can you lower your hand, state your name for the record?
My name is Shema Rubeduka.
All right, if you could spell that for the...
SHEMA-RUBADUKA. Shema Rubeduka.
All right, Mr. Nyangari, all of the documents I'm going to review with you are in English. Were those documents explained to you in Swahili?
Ile madokumenti tulikupatia tulikuonyesha ulielewa Kiswahili? Ndio. Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor, I did.
All right, so
Oh, I have to say, okay.
you have everything that I say,
Okay.
you have to translate it.
Okay. Anauliza kama counsel alipata madokumenti akiuliza na Kiswahili. Kisha akasema ndio. Ndio. Yes.
All right, did you review the document entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Ilifasiriwa na hapo na dokumenti tulisema majaribu ya Kiswahili uliolewa ulisikia? Ndio. Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Na ulewa ile ingine alikuonyesha kama itafungiwa kama unasikia? Ndio. Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I do, Your Honor.
Namuuliza kama alisoma vile anakuelewa kile kitu. Ndio. Yes, ma'am.
All right, so before anybody answer my questions, give the interpreter a chance to interpret, then answer.
Okay. Kisha mbele ya kusema kile kitu chochote nitatafsiri Kiswahili kisha utaleta nitamfasiria.
Did you review the court admonishments and defendants waivers with your attorney?
Ulielewa ile kuonyesha ya jana kama palikueleza kusikia leo. Yes.
Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Ulielewa na ukasign kwa kila kitu? Ndio. Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with robbery?
Ulielewa
That's a second-degree felony.
ulielewa kama funga uliiba ipo kuolewa ya pili? Yes, ma'am.
Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine.
Kama miaka mbili na miaka 12 na 1,000 ya lipa. Ndio. Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea.
Akasema kama ile mpango uliingia na state itasema kama hawezi kuitikia au kama anatafuta kubadilisha au kubadilisha yao au kutafuta kitu kingine. Ndio. Yes.
Did you understand by entering this plea you were giving up those rights?
Kama unaitikia mpango hii unaacha kila sheria yote unayo? Ndio. Yes, ma'am.
And I'm so sorry. The rights that you're giving up are the rights to a jury trial, the right to cross-examine any witnesses against you, and the right to remain silent. Do you understand?
Sheria yote unaletwa unaitikia iko afike kuota na nyumba na kuacha mpango bado. Ndio.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 20 years in prison? Did you understand?
Unaelewa kama ile ulitikia mpango ulitikia kama wanaona kama unaingia kati ya wafunga na kifungo watakiwa kurudisha na kuchavi jail miaka 12. Ndio. Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Kuonyesha kama kansa kama ilitia yes.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Anauliza kama yeye anaona kama ulielewa kila kitu alikufasiria.
Yes.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Anauliza kama anaweza kama huko na matatizo yote kuelewa na kila kitu patia usiweze kufasiriwa kile alichokuwa.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ndio.
All right. Sir, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
Mtu mmoja alikuona bila kutika kitu chochote? No, ma'am.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
Na mtu alikuuliza kama atapotea kitu kingine au mpango? No, ma'am.
Has anyone, I'm sorry, are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Naona unaona kama yule mtu alikufuatilia kitu chochote mzuri na unafurahi nayo? Ndio. Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
America? Ndio. Ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial.
No, kama wanaona kama wewe pekee itoa roho yako kusikia mpango hii. Ndio. Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney?
Na uona mfasiri na kama mzuri. Ndio. Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea bargain agreement, there's $1,000 fine. State recommends deferred adjudication.
Na anakueleza kama mpango ile itakuwa
They're taking a case into consideration, and there's to be restitution to James Cardenas. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Na kuonyesha kama ule mtu aliiba atatafuta kuanza kuangalia mzuri nini ulifanya au kumrudishia mtu ulimwambia. Unaelewa? Ndio. Yes, ma'am.
All right, I didn't hear the words James Cardenas.
Well, sorry, explain different. Ule mtu James Cardenas ulimwambia amrudishia vitu ulimwambia. Unaelewa? Ndio. Yes, ma'am.
All right, so with regards to interpreting, exactly what I'm saying is supposed to be interpreted. There's not supposed to be a synopsis or you saying something different or putting your own spin on it. So if I say there's $1,000 fine, the only thing you have to say to him is $1,000 fine. All right. So the plea bargain agreement is $1,000 fine.
Mapango iko 1,000.
Deferred adjudication.
Na pango wanachagua mambo ya kupatia.
There's a case being taken in consideration. And there's to be restitution to James Cardenas.
James Cardenas. Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that to be the plea?
No. Yes, ma'am.
Defense, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor, it is.
No. Yes.
State, is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, by signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Kila kitu hili watafanya iko kuangalia yenyewe kuelezea na utikia Ndio. Yes.
Council, have there been any such motions?
Anauliza kama alikuwa na kila kitu.
No, Your Honor.
Asema pa.
Outside the agreement, state is recommending that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 7 years.
Na wanaweza kama mpango hii kusikia kati ya miaka 7
A TAP evaluation, a TAIP evaluation,
na yenyewe wanasema uangalia kama namna gani kati ya miaka 7 ile utakuwa namna gani utakuwa
120 hours of community service restitution,
portion mbili ya kazi hizo ni mambo ya city yes ma'am.
and no contact with James Cardenas.
Na waweze kukutana wale mtu anaitwa James Carlos. Yes ma'am.
All right. I do not have to follow those recommendations. Do you understand?
Na anasema kama hayako sheria yake kufuata na kuambia atapisha kubadilisha unaelewa. Yes.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Ile wanasema bali chagula kani namna gani kabisa unatikia guilty no contest.
State any evidence.
Yes, Your Honor. State Exhibit number 1 with all its attachments.
Anaweza kama waliona ile
No objection, sir.
Maria
All right, state, you may be excused. Oh, do you have the? Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes ma'am.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. Did you understand?
Unaelewa kama uko na sheria kukala kimya si kitu au kuna baraza laws lakini kukala kimya. Yes ma'am.
All right. The state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements, but there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Sawa. Auzi lakini itakuwa mbele ya watu.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same.
Yes ma'am.
All right. After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication.
Kama wanasema kama kisha kuona ripoti bana kama ulikuwa na makosa lakini watakupatia mpango ile sasa. Ndio. Yes ma'am.
All right. Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
At this time, Your Honor, thank you very much for taking into consideration the other case and placing my client on deferred adjudication. I'm sure he's not going, he's going to be very successful and not going to have this court see him again. Your Honor, I've spoken to my client through the interpreter, and I believe that this is something that he would like to move forward with.
Anampigia kisanti kama anakamata wakati wa kusikia ripoti yote na alipoelewa kila kitu unaelewa unafasiriwa kama itakuwa nzuri mambo yako. And he thanks to.
All right. Are you employed?
Una kazi inatumika ndono.
How long have you been unemployed?
Miaka wakati ngapi ulikuwa unatumika? About 12 years, 12 about 12 years.
How are you supporting yourself?
Namna gani unaweza kuishi? Through disability.
What do you receive disability for?
Unapata ile sikia ng'ombe ukishinda. Okay. About mental health,
I'm sorry, what?
mental health
All right. Do you have any children?
kwa watoto? No. Hapana.
Do you have any family here?
Huwa na jamaa hapa? Oh, okay. He's got a cousin.
All right. Where is the rest of your family?
Jamaa ingine iko wapi? He doesn't have marriage.
All right.
Sometimes.
Do you have any family outside of the United States?
Jamaa kuifika nchi ingine? Hapana. He said no.
All right. As previously stated, the court is going to defer finding of guilt. The court will sentence you to $1,000 fine, probated, 7 years deferred adjudication.
Sasa wanasema kama watapatia mpango utalipa 1,000 na atakupatia miaka 7.
Court will take in consideration 2024 CR 009072.
Inaangalia ile kesi ya kweli ndio analeta ile namba.
There's to be restitution and no contact with James Cardenas.
Hawezi kutafuta mtu anaitwa James Cardenas na kupatia mtu wake. Yes, ma'am.
120 hours of community service restitution.
Posho 2 ya kazi.
I'm going to order anger management. Once he completes anger management, the community service hours will be deemed satisfied.
Atafute manaita shirika. Atafuta kuna shirika mmesha kutoka makazi. Lazima mtaweza kufanya zaidi. Yes, ma'am.
Regular and random UAs,
What is it?
regular urinalysis,
Oh, okay. Atafuta kukuanta mpoi yako.
regular reporting,
Iko na report yako kama kuna ile. Yes, ma'am.
a TAIP evaluation, and MIC evaluation in custody,
Kuwa katikati ya
proof of employment or SSI benefits within 45 days of release from custody,
ya kazi kisha kuacha hapo katika nje miaka siku 100 45 days.
yes,
Siku
field visits, 1 time per month for 6 months,
field visits.
yes, field visit, FIELD visits.
Okay. Na utafuta kwa namna kuangalia kati ya masaa hizi 6.
Probation, is there anything else he needs? Is there anything else you need from the court?
Unaona kitu kingine unaweza court. No.
All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney?
Tunaona upekee ndani yako information. Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal.
Mambo na itika mpango hii hauwezi tena kurejea nyuma kusema kama natafuta kushiriki. Yes, ma'am.
All right. If you need anything, let the court know. Good luck to you.
Kama unatafuta kitu chochote uelewe. Excellent.
Thank you. All right, if you remain, probation, go over conditions with him.